And welcome back to the world of mystic drums. I'm Lorne, your world music safari adventure guide. And today I'm joined with our best buddy, Jerry the Frog. Jerry's always on our adventures to find new sounds. You ready? But not yet? Because of why? You got a buddy here. He brought a friend along. A friend from the farm, everyone. It's Moo Moo the cow. Moo Moo, say hi. Yes, I'll tell them. Moo Moo can't wait to show you the instrument he brought. What do you have to say there, Jerry? I'm a little bit confused. Why are you interrupting us? What do you mean you don't like your seat? You don't like the view? Ooh, see what you're saying. Maybe we'll just adjust the seating a bit here. Okay, Moo Moo, this, Jerry, like, no. Okay, Moo Moo, no. Okay, Moo Moo, no. How about that? No. All right, you know what? Just line up over here. We got to get started. This instrument is one of my favorites. But it is some strange looking thing, Moo Moo. You brought this? Is this a cow comb? You just brush your hair with that? No. Maybe it's a cow massager. No, maybe it's an old-fashioned toothbrush. Oh, my teeth are broken. No way to make this work. Simple, easy. Stare at the ball. Count to number 3. 1, 2, 3. Not bad, but we can do it a little bit louder. 1, 2, 3. I grab it, I hold on to it, I stop the vibrations. Music is just a vibration, but you can't see it. Music is invisible. Let's make vibrations with our hands. You just put them up, join them together, do your best, wave. Sound waves are traveling right now, from your device right to your ear, traveling fast, 1,200 kilometers an hour. Ooh, that's like 800 miles an hour. So fast, you hear it instantaneously. When I give it a slap, vibrates. So that's a Vibraslap. Don't forget to like and subscribe below to see more incredible instruments next time with Jerry and the friends. Kapow, tazooey, kabam, bam, boom!